Leptitox review. Does this supplement gives you visible results within weeks? Are you looking for Leptitox review? The number of obese people is rising every single day. This is an outcome of an inactive lifestyle, junk, and processed food, etc. If you are feeling overweight and bulky and want to reduce your weight, then you are in the right place. Is it safe and effective? Well, you can lose your weight the easy way with the help of Leptitox dietary pills. It is very popular as well as a healthy way to lose your stored layer of fat within a few days. Leptitox supplement promises to give you visible results within a few weeks of regular use. But does this product really works or is a scam? Let's answer this question in this honest Leptitox review. When talking about losing weight, the first thing that comes to our mind is the gym and strict diet plans. I am not saying gym and diet plans don't work, but it requires a lot of hard work and you need to wait for years to get any visible results. But if you are someone who hates sweating in the gym and wants fast results without any hard work, then there is nothing better than using Leptitox. Leptitox is a dietary supplement that is loaded with health benefits. Leptitox review suggests that it is a very effective weight loss pills that are developed after years of research. It is the best way to lose fat from your belly and other parts of the body. The pills work by slowing down the metabolism and food craving. Your weight loss journey with Leptitox is going to be very simple and easy. You don't have to hurt your mind and body by following strict diet plans and hard workouts. Your health condition will improve gradually and you will start seeing a change in yourself within a few days of regular usage. The pills also work for reducing your blood pressure and cholesterol, balances blood sugar levels, improves heart health and makes you an active, alert, happy and stress-free person. Benefits of using Leptitox. Leptitox is based on modern scientific research according to which the main reason behind obesity is not slow metabolism or overeating habits. It actually occurs because of leptin resistance. The leptin hormone is responsible for our food craving. Due to the low level of leptin, we feel hungry. People who have low leptin levels never feel satisfied no matter how much they eat, resulting in overweight issues. Leptitox is a very effective supplement that balances the level of leptin and it detoxifies our body and makes it free from harmful toxins. When you have normal leptin levels, your craving for food decreases naturally as per Leptitox review. About Leptitox manufacturer. Leptitox is a very popular weight loss supplement. It is not like other health supplements that are entirely made up of harmful chemicals. Leptitox is slowly creating a name as the best weight loss pills because of its goodness. It is said in the Leptitox review that anyone can use Leptitox as it is a quality product of a leading health supplement manufacturing company. These weight loss pills are manufactured after years of research involving natural and organic ingredients. Letitox is pure and natural as it is manufactured in a fully controlled and hygienic environment. The pills are manufactured under strict supervision and have gone through a number of quality and safety parameters. Leptitox is only made available for sale when it has passed all these quality tests. Overall, you can use this product without thinking about its quality. Leptitox ingredients. Leptitox is made up of natural and healthy ingredients and there are no chemicals in its formula. So let's have a look at these powerful natural ingredients present in Leptitox in this review. 1. Marian thistle or milk thistle. It detoxifies BPA and has an anti-aging effect on our body. Apium graveolens seed. It detoxifies toxins like EDC, DEP, etc. 1. Jujube. It is a powerful ingredient which detoxifies the ZA endocrine disruptor. 1. Grape seed. It eradicates the effect of dangerous EDC cadmium which is found in fruits and vegetables. Alfalfa. Alfalfa is known for its health benefits. It improves liver health and improves digestion. Chancapidra. It improves digestion and kidney functions. Taraxacum leaves. It ensures good liver health and also helps in the proper functioning of joints. It is very rich in vitamin K. Brassicas. It is said to provide a vital antioxidant that is essential for our body. Barberry. Barberry can have positive effects on your mind and body. All these natural ingredients make Leptitox an amazing health supplement. And the best thing about these weight loss pills is that they are pure and healthy. How does Leptitox work for colon cleansing? Leptitox works by controlling your hunger and detoxifying your body from harmful chemicals. Most of us are unfamiliar with how fat cell releases a hormone called leptin which controls hunger and food craving. When the level of leptin is low in the body, we feel hungry and this hunger never gets satisfied. This means you are never going to feel full, no matter how much you eat. This results in weight gain. The low level of leptin also results in leptin resistance. This starts storing a large amount of fat inside our body. The natural ingredients present in these weight loss pills like alfalfa, barberry, grapeseed, etc. reduce the harmful toxins, detoxifies the body and melts the stored fat from even the most stubborn areas. If you will use these dietary pills regularly, it can help in reducing the level of harmful toxins. According to Leptitox review, it melts fat evenly from all areas of the body. It can help in balancing blood sugar levels, cholesterol, improves heart health and reduces blood pressure. Your digestion will also improve, and stress levels will be reduced. You will feel light and active all day long. Pros. It is 100% effective product. Safe for consumption as it is made up of natural ingredients. Fast Leptitox results in a few weeks. It comes with a money-back guarantee and you can ask for a full refund anytime. All the ingredients are natural and safe. Detoxifies body. Improves mental health and keeps stress-free. Aids digestion. It can maintain normal blood pressure and sugar levels. Works for everyone. Very easy to use. Cons. You need to follow the recommended dosage. Not available offline. Side effects mentioned in Leptitox customer reviews. Natural products are free from side effects, so are the Leptitox weight loss pills. The pills are absolutely safe and healthy as it does not contain any chemicals in its formula. This means anyone can use it without any worries as per Leptitox testimonials. Where and how to buy Leptitox. You can purchase Leptitox free trial only from their official website as the products, or the pills are not available at any third-party seller. You are not going to find these pills at any online store like Amazon. To buy these, it is referred in the Leptitox review that you need to visit their official website and have to complete the purchase. Your genuine pack of Leptitox will now get delivered at your doorstep in 2 to 3 working days. Link in description. I hope this honest Leptitox review must have cleared your confusion related to these dietary pills. Leptitox is a 100% effective and healthy way to lose fat. The product actually delivers all its promises without any compromise. The best thing about these Leptitox weight loss pills is that it is a pure and naturally prepared product that is never going to leave any adverse effects on your body. Anyone can use their fast, effective pills and can achieve a slim and lean physique in no time. Gone are the days when you need to follow strict diet plans to lose your stored body fat. You can do this easily without any pain just by taking 2 of these.